Welcome to HortTube. My name is Jim Putnam. This is the Subscriber Sunday video where subscribers send in photos that they're proud of from things in their yard or community. If you're interested in sending in photos for these videos, it's right here. Send it to this email address and make sure you put subscriber photos or Subscriber Sunday or something like that in the title of it so I know that it's photos for these videos. I appreciate everyone participating who participates in this. And like I say, I got quite a few for this time around. I skipped an extra week this time so I could get this one to the first Sunday in the month. And from now on, they're going to be on the first Sunday of the month going forward. And I think that'll be good to have just, once a month is when we'll do this. I want to have giveaways attached to all of these as well. And the one I was going to have for this one, I hadn't quite worked out. So I'll let you know what that is in the next couple weeks. And so we'll have giveaways on every single one of these going forward. I actually have them all planned from September on. It's just this one right here. When I had this idea, it was just a little late to gather those things up that I needed and get permission to do it. So anyway, I'll let you know what this one is in a couple weeks. The channel reached 20,000 subscribers this week. I appreciate everyone. Thank you to everyone who watches and comments and participates and hits the like button and all those things. It's a great community, and welcome if you're new to the community. I have a new video series. About a week and a half from now, you're going to see a video. I'm calling it Quickscapes. There are going to be one-day landscape jobs. The first one is at a friend of mine's house. It's a very small space on the back of his foundation, and what I want to do is have jobs that'll take 4 to 8 hours to complete and show you how much you can transform an area. If you had one Saturday a month for a year, and you did what I'm going to show you in this video, you could really transform a lot of space over that period of time. Let me know at the end of that video what you think, and then based on that, I'll move forward and find more places to do these kind of small jobs. Anyway, thank you very much again for watching. Thanks for 20,000, and the subscriber photos are at the end, and I have a few photos from my yard before that. Thanks for watching.